thing is that when does the time for Tarawih begin? So the answer to that is that the Tarawih time, it begins after the 4 rakats farz of Isha have been prayed and have been performed. And it can be read up until Fajr start time, which is basically when we finish our Sahri. So it can be read anytime between then. And if you listen carefully to the way I worded that, I did not say that the Tarawih time begins from when Isha time begins. Rather, I said that the Tarawih time begins after the 4 rakats farz of Isha have been performed. So from this, we actually learn a masala. What is that masala? The masala is that if a person came late for Tarawih, and he came so late that the Isha congregation had taken place, it had finished, and the Tarawih congregation was about to start, or it had already started. So he arrived at this point. And if this person then, because the Tarawih was about to start, he had started, he joined in the Tarawih prayer straight away. He joined in the Tarawih congregation. And he did not read his Isha Salah, will his Tarawih be valid or not? So, basing this on the definition or that I gave for the start time of Tarawih, we will have realized that this person's Tarawih is not valid. Because the Tarawih time starts after the 4 rakats farz of Isha have been performed. So therefore we learn that if a person comes late for Tarawih, and he comes so late that the congregation has taken place, and the Tarawih had already started or it was about to start, even in that state, it is necessary for that person to first read his Isha farz. 4 rakats farz he must read either obviously by himself, or if there are other people that have come late, he can read it with them. And then once he has read the Isha farz prayer, then he can join in the Tarawih congregation. So that is a very important masla, because there are quite a few of us, sometimes we run late or we go to the toilet, and then many people do not know the ruling. What they do is they just they see the congregation for Tarawih has started and they join in straight away without reading the